All right, drink we're about to make is called Prince. Let's go ahead and put some ice in a glass and measure out 2 ounces of tequila. All right, and we're going to follow that up with 1 ounce of liqueur 43. And next we will add 1.5 ounces of coconut cream and 1 ounce of cream. All right, last thing we're going to add is just some passion fruit juice. Just go ahead and fill it up. All right, let's shake everything together. Get it nice and cold. And we've got our glass ready. Go ahead and pour that in. And you can garnish that with some mint leaves and coconut shavings if you have them available, or you can just put in a straw and drink. Bottoms up.